Trying to make the executive decision of whether to pull the plug on today's photography trip. It's just too dangerous. If you park facing away from the wind, you can rip the doors off the van. And if you park into the wind, you know, or on any other angle possibly, you know, the door could slam and break one of our guests' arms, and or even worse possibly. So I don't know if it's safe enough. I think we'll reassess the situation a little later on today and see if we can get them out. But as of right now, I think we're gonna take a run down another road, see if it's possible to get in there. Right now, the snowdrifts are building, I think, almost as quick as the excavator can take, the front end loader can take them away. So we're gonna have to put that off a bit.
Safety first. So we're going to go a little bit further, but we have to be really cognizant of the fact that we could get stuck here, and if we get stuck here, we're in trouble.
Yeah, we almost did get stuck.
We did kind of get stuck, but the four-wheel drive got us out, thank God. And the guests are just waiting back at the hotel because we're doing a safety check now, because not only is it just the road that's treacherous, it's the wind. And I just opened the door and I just about blew the door off. And I know that that can happen. So I knew it and I was holding on as hard as I could. And it still just about blew the door off. So you've got people getting in and out of the vehicle. It's icy. You can slip and fall. You can be literally blown over by the wind. And there are a lot of things, safety things, that Michael and I need to keep in mind for our guests because we don't want people to get hurt. So you might think, oh, it's a little bit of snow, but it's a little bit of snow with a whole lot of wind and a whole lot of drifting and ice and, yeah, a lot of things that you need to keep in mind in order to be safe just to do your photography. So.